In this video, I'm going to show you how you can scrape the Twitter for getting the leads information like their name, email address or profile URL. And the best part, you can even scrape the one user's all the follower here. So let me show you. So this is the Socleads. I am using this AI tool to scrape the data. And the best part, along with the Twitter, we have the scraping available with the Instagram, Facebook and YouTube and even the TikTok. So right now I am going to do the scraping with the Twitter. So right now we have the three formats available. Whether I can do with the single targeting, that is the keyword based, and I want to target a person all the followers or a person all the following. Okay, so these are the three formats available. So I'm going to go with the Twitter keyword here, and after that I have to add that keyword. So simply I'm going to go with the social media marketing. Okay, so I'm going to target all the social media marketing agencies or the people or the freelancers here. Then after it is asking me the how many the people or list I want, people's in the list I want to scrape here. So I'm going to go with the 20 to show you, because the higher number takes the time here. Okay, so after that there are the few options available, like validating the emails. So when I enable this option, it is going to validate those people's emails and find out whether those emails are actually the correct or not. Might be some emails right now not working, some are like the spam kind of the or the duplicate kind of the. That's why this validating email option is really informational. Okay, then after that we have also a one tick available that is going to include all the relevant keywords along with the social media marketing. So after that you can also target the country, right? For example, I'm going to target the Canada here. Let's click on the search, and now it will okay, it is asking me the 2 words query here. So I will go with just the social marketing. Okay, now let's click on search, and now it is start scraping. So you can see along with the Twitter, I have also used this scraping tool for the Facebook or the Instagram, and let me tell you, all the results are mind-blowing. So here's the example. This is the sheet for the Instagram scraping based on the keyword. This is based on the Instagram hashtag, and this is for the Facebook profiles I have scraped here. Now this time I am showing you the scraping with the Twitter. So we have to wait a little bit, because it takes around the 30 seconds to 1 minute to scrape the data, and if you have the higher number of the searches, it can take more time. And our sheet is ready, you can see. So we have just searched the 20 people and the sheet is ready. Now I have to download the file. There are the two formats available, CSV and the XLS. So whether you are using the Google Sheets or the Excel, you can download the files here. So for example, I'm going to download this CSV file. Let me download. Now I have to go to my Google Sheet, and I have to import this file here. So simply go to the import and go to this upload option. The file you have uploaded, drag and drop or locate, and now your file is ready to import. So I'm going to create or replace the current sheet, import data. And now you can see we have all the emails available that we are scraped from the Twitter. And have you seen, I even go to the Twitter platform a single time. So that is the best thing also. So let's see whether we have any invalid emails or not. Yeah, this email address is invalid here. So what I can do, I can simply select one and delete. And now my email is ready with all the valid email addresses. Okay, then we have the name of that person, the URL, the search term. I don't need these three options here, so I will also delete them. Basically I am making my sheet more easy to see and good in layout here. So that's how you can even scrape the leads from the Twitter. Now what I can do, I can export this file to my email marketing tools and outreach these people here. Okay, so make sure to check out the Socleads. This tool is really mind-blowing with so many crazy features to scraping the Google Maps or even the social media platforms. Right now it is available starting from the $69, and in the single tier plan you can scrape the around the 2,000 people per month. But if you are going to enable the ticking for the validating emails, it is going to cost you the extra credits. So I suggest go with at least the tier 2 plans, because here the credit limits is sufficient for you whether you want to scrape the data or validate the emails here. So that's all for today's video I want to talk about. And one more thing, these credits is the monthly. Every time you are going to hit the 0, next month it is going to fill up to the limit for the plan you have selected here. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe this channel to stay updated. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.